20% discount. That was a lot of slobber. My goodness.
Okay, peeps, Sarah here from Sparrow Springs, and this is not your normal voiceover. This is where I realized that this video could be rather difficult. But it's okay, we're gonna jump into it. It's okay, I've got this. Painting with a child on my lap. It's all good. I guess I don't really need that piece of paper. Moving on, it's all good. So, I'm just gonna paint. I'm just gonna paint and not worry about a wiggly child. Is that brush breakable? No, it's cheap. It's fine. It's one brush, just one. I've got tons. It'll be fine. So, we're working on a fern leaf today. Man, his hands are everywhere. Everywhere. Okay, that's okay. That's why I tape my work down, so he can't move it. And it's immovable. Absolutely immovable. This is really hard to do with one hand. But it's fine. I got it. Steady hands. So, fern leaves. There's like a lot of little leaves on this thing. I mean, I maybe should have picked an easier project while he was awake. I mean, he was sleeping for a little while. Why didn't I just do it? That's okay. Why is he grabbing all the cords? So many cords. Why am I running out of color already? I thought I mixed enough. That's okay. I'm fine. All's well. I do not have anxiety at all. Okay. Okay, what's going on? It's fine. It's fine. I'm good. Okay. Not happy? That's okay. Okay, I'm gonna put him down. Okay, he's down. Work fast. Work fast. He's fine, right? Just fine. I'm totally paying attention to what my child is doing. I have a perfect area for him that should keep him entertained. He should be fine, right? Just fine. Yep. Oh, what's going on? Do I even want to know what he's getting into? Oh dear. Nope, not gonna think about it. Just gonna keep working. Almost done, right? Almost done. Okay, a little bit more here. And okay, we're working in some multiple tones in here. Yep, I'm an artist. I'm not panicking. Not panicking at all. Nope, yep, it's looking good. Okay. Oh my gosh, he's crying. Okay, work fast. Work fast. Relieve the crying baby. Stems. Why is it always stems? Stems are crazy. But I love this paintbrush. This paintbrush is amazing. And this is the part of the video where I ask you to subscribe. Please subscribe, because I really need a babysitter. And I'm also cursing the fact that I have a comforter as a backdrop. Please subscribe.